Hi there and welcome. Today we're exploring the IRUFGLL over-the-bed mobile rolling cart laptop stand, a versatile desk that's perfect for home, office, or hospital use. This adjustable height stand ranges from 27.5 to 45 inches, allowing you to create an ergonomic workspace tailored just for you. It features ultra-thin edge stoppers to keep your laptop secure and a tilting tabletop that can angle nearly vertical for reading or drafting. The side table is perfect for a mouse pad, drinks, or extra devices, and it can be installed on either side. Plus, the upgraded 360-degree wheels make it easy to move around smoothly. This mobile desk combines functionality and convenience for a better work experience anywhere. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.